Back here in Austin, food insecurity is on the rise in Central Texas, and the number of people seeking help at the city's neighborhood centers is increasing.
Austin Public Health says it has tripled the number of people served at those centers this year. And KXAN's Avery Travis has a closer look at those numbers and a look inside one of those centers. Good afternoon, Avery.
Guys, you might not even notice them as you drive down the street, but the city's 6 centers are actually nestled within neighborhoods, and they provide all kinds of services to these neighborhoods and the people of Austin. Everything from food distribution events to healthcare and nursing services, and really a lot more. They've been around since the 70s, but APH says the need they've seen, particularly this year, has been eye-opening.
Neat rows of canned veggies, piles of packages with rice, beans, and nuts.
Some pre-made meals as well that we get, some of our protein.
And a full freezer. It's the type of stocked kitchen you might picture this holiday season. But that's not possible for many Austinites.
The lack of affordable housing and inflation, people are just having less money to spend on their basic needs.
Angel Zambrano manages the Austin Public Health Neighborhood Services Unit. He says his team had to respond and adapt to meet major increased demand in 2023.
Through just October of this year, APH says it served more than 64,000 people at food distribution events. Compare that to the same time frame the year before, where they served closer to 26,000 people.
APH partners with the Central Texas Food Bank, and food bank leadership says it's also seeing unprecedented demand at or above the level of need during the pandemic.
The holiday season is always an incredibly busy time of year, and the need always spikes during the holiday season.
And heading into the new year,
the population continues to grow in Central Texas, and we don't know what economic conditions are ahead of us, but we're planning on trying to figure out how to distribute more food to people in need.
For example, a new partnership with APH and Amazon to offer a home delivery service.
There's a lot of challenges that we usually don't think about when we can just get into our car and go somewhere. So we do try to meet people where they are and fill those gaps.
That delivery service that you just heard about provides people with a monthly box of about 30 pounds of shelf-stable groceries, and it's just one of the many services that clients can access here. Another big one is rental assistance, but Austin Public Health wants to remind folks that that program is really only available when the money is there to fund it. Daniel?
Avery, and how many people do we know did APH serve in the years past?
Yeah, we wanted to dig back a little further. We asked for numbers going back to 2020 when Austin Public Health says it served about 20,000 people for food distribution events. In 2021 and 2022, that number rose to 26,000, as you heard. So it really highlights that steep increase this year in 2023, serving 64,000 people. Live in East Austin, Avery Travis, KXAN News.
All right, Avery, thank you very much. And going in depth, Austinites have the highest cost of living in Texas. That's according to analysis done in July by Texas Real Estate Source. Property experts analyzed several factors, including property taxes, utilities, and prices of some goods and services, and then compared them with the average income per capita in order to determine this cost of living. Now, each city got a score based on that criteria to rank them. Austin, you see, ranks #1 with the highest cost of living, a score of about 23 out of 100. San Antonio, Dallas, Houston, and College Station round out the top 5 cities. Find out the other costs to live in other cities under this story over at KXAN.com.
And here now with Chief Meteorologist